time to do.
Hey everyone, my name's Carla and welcome back to another video.
Hi!
This is actually our third retake.
Hi!
Since there is someone that just keeps saying
Hi!
stuff repeatedly.
Hi!
I think that's, yeah. Anyways,
I'm a
so
gummy bear.
this is Cousin Crash, so go subscribe to him. He does fun videos like skits and stuff.
Subscribe to me now.
Okay, anyways, let's get started. Anyways, go back to your code of where you did the code, like when you did your first code, or you can just start a new one. Doesn't really matter. And type in echo percent random percent.
So yeah, type in echo random percent.
And then
Did I say it right?
Yeah. And then
Okay, good.
If you just type in these dots, you're probably wondering, well, why are you typing dots? Well, you can actually replace these to say random again. So go all the way to edit, replace. You gotta
I'm
find
drawing
it.
a Pokemon right
Dot.
now.
Yep. And do percent random percent and click replace all. And there we go. You found all of them. So you're probably wondering, Carlo, why are you typing percent random percent? And it is because that if you do that, it will actually make a random numbers, at least like 4 numbers, I'm guessing. So do random numbers, and this is perfect if you're gonna make a fake programming, or not fake programming, a fake hacking if you want, so you can impress your friends. Really, really good if you do this one. So, you're also probably wondering, well, in the last episode, you made it where if you enter something and you gotta tell it tell it where to go, like chapters, or yeah, you're just typing it into the sentence. And why are you saying echo? Well, since I'm saying echo, this is in order for it to say the numbers. And yeah, you are right, but this code is really special since it will make a random number, which is really good. Really good. And another question. If
Can I say the questions?
Alright, fine. Yeah, go say the questions.
Okay. Why are you saying echo?
If you have not seen my first episode, echo means to say something. It's like you're echoing to, I don't know, a place, a building or something. But echo is just to tell the computer that you want it to say it. But don't worry, it won't say echo when you say
it. Is there any substitute I can use instead of echo?
Well, there is one thing you can do, but like you can do set/p input, but that's only if you're gonna enter something, and then you say your word. Or okay, actually that's pretty much it. If you just type in the name and don't say echo, it's just gonna say this is not a command. So yeah, check my first episode if you want.
I'm looking at the video right now, or the screen, and why does it say K Machine is the coolest YouTube channel? I'm pretty sure my channel is much better.
This is just an example. Alright,
put a better example, like,
okay.
I don't know. Cousin Crash is an amazing YouTube channel.
Alright, come on, hold on. No, fine.
Yay!
Okay.
I'm not a rash.
I was typing that. Alright, click file and click save.
I'm not a rash. You're about to put rash.
Sorry. And then click K Machine code. And watch the numbers. Okay, there's actually 5 numbers. So it will say all these code and see you guys. And to answer Joseph's question, you don't see echo on it, which is good. But it does say the name.
Because if I saw echo, I would sue you.
And it does say all of this.
Yay.
Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going through what to do, or not what to do, how to do the different chapters. So let's take out this pause and let's type in set/p menu equal. Now in here you can type in anything, but I recommend it being short since you're going to be doing like if %menu %.
My storage is almost full. How can I fix that?
We can actually work on that in the next video. Maybe. You don't know.
Yay! Can I be in it?
Maybe it can be in the next video. Maybe. Or actually I think I could actually do frequently asked questions on tech stuff. Just a random frequently asked questions tech video. Maybe. Alright. So, of course, if %menu %, you need to say that. Make sure you say what this is, or else it won't do it.
What if I put none of that stuff, because I'm too lazy?
Then it won't work. And your program will not do anything, technically. And it will just exit automatically if you just take out the pause. And you take out the go-to menu.
What if I don't have the right program?
That's a good question. There is 2 programs that I know that would work. There is Notepad, which is on the Windows, and Notepad Plus. Now, to make this full sure also, you need to have command prompt. This is available, I'm guessing, in Windows 98, I'm guessing. Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Recommend the latest version since they kind of update it. And you have to be a Microsoft user. Sorry Macs and sorry Linux.
But I'm a Mac.
You're gonna have to use a Windows computer. Unless you find a way to install Microsoft Windows command prompt on it.
But what if half of your subscribers use Mac?
Well, I'm sorry, I actually don't know what you can do. I was looking for an app on it on like your tablets, like your Android, but I couldn't find an app. I'm sorry, guys. If you guys see those can only work on Linux, like Linux command prompt. There's 2 different kinds. I think Mac has one, a terminal. I think that's what they call it. Including Linux, it's called terminal too, I think. Anyways, so do set/p menu equal, and do if %menu % equal, and then you would say, I don't know, so this is the part where you say, like, what if, let's say the person says cool, then it will go to there, otherwise it won't go there. So type in 1, you say go to, and then you would say where to go, like chapters. Then you would say menu 2. And then now we need to make it where if it doesn't work, if they don't enter this, it will have to go somewhere else, or it has to do something else. Well, we just did it. Now if you don't enter this, you will go to menu, but I want to fix that. So I want to say CLS, which means to clear the whole thing, echo, and then say incorrect number option, and say ping localhost -n for null. Now you're probably wondering, what is this? What is this? What is this? Joseph, do you know what this is? What is this, Joseph?
What?
What is this?
I don't know.
This means that
Is it a code?
it's technically like pinging somewhere else. I'm guessing it's that. But what I use this for is that it makes a loading screen. Like usually games have loading screens, but this one you can make a fake loading screen. Sometimes this helps on some programs you may make. I don't know, like a chatting program. You may want to use this so it will refresh itself maybe. But this I like, since it makes like a fake loading screen, or just it loads for a little bit. And
guys, just so you know, this is how hard being an artist is. You keep making mistakes on your art, so when that happens, fine, like what I'm doing right now. Let's just Right now I'm working on the Pokemon Poplio. So, let's
Okay, anyways, you guys can check this out in
just
Joseph's
draw
channel.
it.
You guys can check this
But
out
I
in
don't
Joseph's channel.
do
Your PC glitching out.
tutorials.
Just do tutorials. Anyways, so yeah, ping localhost -n for no. That's the perfect code you should do. Now, and after this, it will do a loading screen and it will go to menu. So let's try it. But first, before we go,
Look what you made me do.
please hold on.
Look what you made me
Joseph,
do,
come on.
Carlo.
Hold on, Joseph.
Look at it.
Come on,
Yeah.
Joseph. Alright, anyways, we need to tell a chapter. So then we would say menu 2. And then we would say congrats. Anything you want to type. Congrats, you just did the second code. And then do pause. And you can do this again. But I can just tell it to go to menu back. There we go. So go ahead, click file, click save. And then click K machine code. And here now you can enter anything. So then you would click 1. Congrats, you just did the second code. Go back to menu. And if you see here, look at the number 31648. It changes. It will always change. So you can make like a password generator. Alright. And pretty much that's it. I mean, there's nothing else I can say. Oh, there is one thing. You can say welcome. And then on there. And it won't actually enter that. If you see here. Oh, yeah. Now, you guys may think it just keeps exiting. I will say that in another video. But click 1. There you are. It won't enter that. But sometimes if you just click 1 and click enter, it will just think like you're just pressing enter. I mean, you're pressing 1 even though you're not pressing anything. It just remembers it's in like a clipboard, I think. Pretty much that's it. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like. And if you guys have any questions, put in the comments below. And maybe I can answer them in the next video. And don't worry, Joseph will be coming back in other videos. So,
Yay!
yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!